Today, we are going to learn about a regular low-pressure quick connect device that you might have attached to your spigot in the backyard. It may be a simple device compared to others, but the engineering to make it so it does not leak even at its max 200 psi pressure, while still easily disconnecting from the hose or house spigot, with only a pull from a single hand, is in my opinion really cool. This everyday quick connect device uses a standard GHT threaded end. GHT stands for garden hose thread. This standard ensures that all household garden hoses use the exact same diameter and threading, so devices like this will always fit properly when screwed onto a hose or house spigot. First, we will examine the quick connect collar. This collar has a sliding outer sleeve that, when pressed down, compresses a spring that pushes it back up when you let go with your hand. When the sliding outer sleeve is pushed down, it creates space for the internal locking balls to fit into. Then, the male quick connect plug, also called the male connector, is pushed into the quick connect collar, pressing the locking balls backwards. Around the male connector end is an O-ring that compresses when it is fully engaged with the quick connect collar. This compressed O-ring keeps any of the water flowing from the spigot from spilling out of the device. At this point, the sliding outer sleeve is let go, and the spring thrusts it back, pushing the balls into the space made by the male connector's outer geometry. This is where the locking balls get their name. The sliding outer sleeve does not allow them to move backwards when it's in the up position, thus locking the male connector in place. Now that the device is fully locked into place, water can be turned on without fear of it spraying anywhere but the end of the hose. To unhook the hose, you just reverse the process of attaching the male connector. Pull the sliding outer sleeve down, compressing the spring, allowing the locking balls to move backwards as the male connector is pulled out. And just like that, your hose has been separated from the house spigot. Before we end this video, I want to show you how the sliding outer sleeve is placed onto the quick connect collar and how it stays in place. As you can see from this nonlinear simulation in SOLIDWORKS, the spring starts out in its neutral position, but as the sliding outer sleeve is pushed down, the spring is compressed until this hole lines up with this slot. Then a set screw is screwed into place, keeping the sliding outer sleeve from popping off due to the compressed spring. The sliding is able to happen because of the set screw and slot, which also keep the spring in a semi-compressed state, only allowing the outer sleeve to move up so far. So now you know how your garden hose quick connect device works and how its engineering makes your life just a little easier. Because who wants to screw a hose onto the house spigot every time? I know I don't. I have better things to do with my life.